congrats on getting a job offer. And just so you know, you do not have to accept a job offer right away. So if you receive a job offer, first I'll say thank you so much. I will need about 1 to 2 days to look over the job offer. So that's the first mistake. Usually people are like, oh my God, I want it. Just pause, wait, review it. Second, look at the job offer, see if you're okay with it. Are you okay with the amount? And start doing your research. Look at similar job titles within the city and see what are the ranges. That is one. Two, identify 3 main points that make you stand out from other people that may have similar job titles to it. Then present it to your HR supervisor, letting them know, hey, I was able to think things through, also do my own research based off my experience doing this for X years and being able to exceed goals from previous companies doing A, B, and C, providing 3 points, and looking at similar jobs in this area. I am asking for an X amount.